I got a new puppy, y'all. I got a new puppy. I got a new puppy. Misha, Misha, Misha. Oh, say hi, Misha. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Oh, yes, oh, so. Oh, thank you for the sugars. Thank you for the kisses. You say hi, Misha. Say hi. Oh, yes.
Yo,
We are on our way to get our new puppy, Misha. It's gonna be so awesome. Can't wait to meet baby girl. Newest member to the Farm and All family. Stay tuned. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What's the first thing you're gonna do?
Touch her.
You gonna touch her?
Play with her.
Well, you know she's my puppy, so.
She's kind of mine.
You think so?
Yeah, because I picked her too without knowing she was the only one.
Yes, Misha was the last pick of the litter. Well, she was the last one left by the time we found out that they were for sale. So it was obviously just meant for us. Misha is in the building. Say hi, Misha. We got the girl. We got the girl. Misha, say hi.